In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scroll left and right in Notion databases. When you're working with a table or database in Notion, you'll often have more columns than can fit on the screen at once. This is especially true if you're tracking a lot of information, like tasks, projects, or content calendars. In those cases, some of your columns will end up hidden off to the side. To see them, you need to scroll horizontally. The main way to do this is by using the horizontal scroll bar that appears below your table or database. First, make sure your database is visible on the screen. If you're in a page that contains multiple blocks, scroll up or down until the table is fully in view. Once the table is on screen, look directly underneath it. You should see a thin horizontal bar on the bottom edge of the database area. This bar is your horizontal scroll bar. To move left or right, hover your mouse over that bar. Your cursor will usually change to indicate you can drag it. Click and hold on the small handle or thumb inside the bar, then drag it to the left to reveal columns that are off to the left side, or drag it to the right to reveal columns that are off to the right. As you move the bar, watch the table above it. The visible columns will shift accordingly. If you don't see the scroll bar right away, try moving your mouse toward the bottom edge of the database and pausing for a moment. On some devices or browsers, the scroll bar can be a bit subtle and only appears clearly when you're interacting with the table. Also, make sure your window isn't zoomed in too far. Extreme zoom levels can sometimes make horizontal scrolling less obvious. You can also scroll left and right using a trackpad gesture or a mouse with a horizontal scroll feature. But even then, the horizontal scroll bar below the table will still move and show you where you are in the database. That bar is a helpful visual indicator of how far you've scrolled and how many more columns you have on either side. So to recap in simple terms, locate the horizontal bar below your Notion table, click and hold the handle, and drag it left or right to move through your columns. Once you get used to this, navigating wide Notion databases becomes much easier and more efficient.